Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be reviewing these trays called Trabricks. Trabricks? I don't know how to say it. Trabricks? I don't know. From Cateared. So Cateared messaged me and was like, hey, are you interested in reviewing these for your channel? And I was like, yeah, I've seen these around. You may have seen them around as well. And I was like, yeah, I'm very curious to see how they function, how they work. So these were sent to me from Cateared. I did not buy them, but you can check out Cateared if you want to. Here is their website. And then here's their social media, and they included a single placer. That's so nice. So here's the box that it came in. Trabricks. Oh, and if you're new here and you like diamond painting, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting whenever I feel like it, so make sure you hit that notification bell as well. Okay, so here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Trabricks. 10? Yeah, 10 Trabricks from Cateared. Oh, wait. Oh, there's way more than 10. Okay. Nope. Okay, so there's 2 different sizes in here. So we have 5 of the big ones. So here is the other side. 5 of the big ones. And then I think we have 10 of the small ones. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 10 of the small ones. Let's check these out, guys. I'm excited about these, actually. So here are the small ones, and when we compare the small ones to the big ones, I believe, yeah, they're like about half the size. So you can like buy different sizes and like stack them on your desk or however you want to do them. I would imagine that these are meant for kitting up in. So instead of putting your drills in these containers and pouring them into a tray, you would actually probably just keep them in here. This might actually work out. I don't know. For me, like I don't like kitting up. So all I do is I just have a whole bunch of these numbered little containers, and then I just put the colors according to the color in those containers. But these, like, I don't know. Let's check it out. So these are reminiscent of Elizabeth Ward containers. If you're not familiar with Elizabeth Ward containers, I will put a picture on the screen right now. So these are Elizabeth Ward containers. They're very popular among diamond painters. They come in different sizes. So this little latch here reminds me of Elizabeth Ward containers. And then it just snaps. So same with the big ones. Okay, so my first initial thought is, like, if you're looking for just a plain diamond painting tray, this is probably not for you. But if you're looking for storage in a diamond painting tray, this could quite possibly be for you. So kitting up using these. So technically, if you do a lot of numbered, like, I don't know what the cost is, honestly. But if you do lots of colors with it, if you do diamond paintings that have a lot of colors, you're going to have to buy like a big set of these or multiple sets of these. And then if you do larger diamond paintings, you'll probably need to get like a bunch of these ones as well. And like, of course you can mix and match. But I'm just wondering like how you store these. So let's say like this is a kitted up diamond painting. All the Trabricks are numbered and everything. And then, but like, how do I store these on my desk? Like, do I just put them like this? Because then it's like, oh, every time I'm going to get like a color and it's in the middle, I'm going to have to lift these up, pull that out. Or I guess I could store them on my desk like this. And then it's just a matter of sliding out. I don't know. I'm thinking here, guys, because this is the first time I've had these in front of me. I don't know what the ideal way to store these is. Or I guess you could get one of those 3D printed towers, tray towers, and put these in the tray tower instead. And then I guess 2 of these would go side by side in a tray tower, but then you'd have to find a tray tower that's wide enough to put 2 next to each other, or one that's tall enough to put 2 on top of each other. I don't know. Okay, well, let's try diamond painting, like putting some drills into these and see how they work out. So I'm just going to grab one of these, and it's really nice too. I like the branding because it actually says, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it says Trabricks here. Okay, so let's do A for this. What color is A? A is number 2. Oh, this is the diamond painting I'm working on for Summer with the Masters. So number 2, so we have number 2. So let's pretend I wasn't storing them in these and I kitted up and emptied out the plastic bag right into here. Okay, so initially, like, it's top heavy because obviously the lid is here, and the lid, I think, isn't meant to disconnect from here, obviously. But like, you definitely want to be careful when shaking it. And then, okay, so it's sitting on my desk nicely. So we'll pretend that, yes, I am diamond painting. I'm diamond painting with my Trabrick. Okay. The drills line up nicely. Try multi-placing with the Trabrick. And I think the lines, or whatever you want to call them, the spacing of the lines within the tray are really nice too. Like, it's not too tight and it's not too loose. That's what she said. I just finished rewatching The Office, so of course I'm gonna drop "that's what she said." I like this idea. I honestly like this idea of like kitting up directly into these and then just having a whole bunch of them. Because then it's not like you don't have to like do anything. Like, you don't have to pour them out into a container. You just have it straight up. Did I just make that dirty? Is my hand dirty? I don't know. And you just have it straight up in here. But the only thing is, and I know I like went off on this earlier, but like, how do we store these on my desk? Do I store them like this? Do I store them like this? Do I store them like this? I have no idea. And this, like, I like the different sizes, honestly. Like, I'm glad that there are different sizes, because like, if you're going to do a smaller diamond painting or a color that has less drills than other colors, I like the option of having the smaller container. And like, if you have a smaller desk as well, smaller containers might fit better, as well as you might actually, like, I think the smaller containers are more affordable. Let me just double check. Aha, okay. So, it solved it. So, on the Cateared website, is it Cateared or Cateared? I have no idea. They actually have a tray tower, a 60 grid storage shelf for large Trabricks. So, this is made for these large ones, not the small ones. And basically, you would just put all of your trays, your Trabricks, in this tray tower. Not bad. Okay, it costs $77 Canadian, which is probably like $60 American, maybe. And then the smaller, like these actual trays themselves, these ones are called tiny, and these ones are, for 20 of these, it's $42 Canadian, so probably $30 American. And then for 10 of the large ones, it's $36 Canadian, so I don't know, $20 American. So that's not bad at all. 10 tiny. Okay, so for this set that they sent me, the cost is, which comes with 10 tiny and then 5 large ones, the cost is $39.59, which is probably, I don't know, frick, $28 American, I don't know. But I think that's pretty good. And you get free shipping. Okay, so this person actually used the Cateared system, like the tower system. So that's kind of neat. I think if you work on confetti heavy diamond paintings, this system, like for kitting up, might just be ideal for you, because you're not constantly pouring out a color into your tray and then having to pour it back into your container, etc. Like, you're just simply just diamond painting straight out of your tray. And yes, you can get a whole bunch, like if you really wanted to, you could use a whole bunch of trays, like diamond painting trays, that come with lids and things like that. But this is also another alternative. And if you don't mind the lid, I'm scared I'm going to drop the drills. If you don't mind the lid being attached while you're diamond painting, this actually might work out really good for you. So I don't know, like I'm gonna try and kit up my next diamond painting with these, and we'll see. Maybe, because I don't have enough of them, maybe I'll order more. But what do you guys think of the Trabricks? I think they're really cute. Like, hey, we're really cute. We're little trays, and I like that they come in 2 different sizes. I like that they can stack on top of each other, and now that I know that tray tower system actually exists and is useful, that is very appealing to me. I think if I work on a smaller kit that only has, what is it, 15 colors, maybe I'll kit up using these. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of Trabricks. And again, these are available from Cateared. I'll put the link in the description box below. So thank you again for Cateared for sending me these. Thank you so much. I had a lot of fun time like unboxing them and sharing them with you guys. If you want to check them out, again, link in the description box below. Make sure you hit the subscribe button on your way out. I post new videos whenever I feel like it, so make sure you hit that notification bell as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!